Before a mountain bike reaches the trail, its journey begins inside a massive factory, where raw materials become precision-engineered riding machines. Raw aluminum tubes enter precision machines, where every cut and measurement creates the foundation of a strong, lightweight mountain bike frame. High-pressure hydroforming transforms simple aluminum tubes into complex shapes, creating lighter frames with greater stiffness, strength, and trail performance. Unlike aluminum frames, carbon bicycles are created layer by layer, combining advanced fibers, precise molds, and controlled curing technology. Precision welding transforms individual aluminum tubes into a complete bicycle frame, creating the strong foundation needed for extreme mountain riding. After welding, precision machines correct critical areas, creating perfectly aligned mounting points for bearings, forks, and drivetrain components. Engineers inspect every frame with precision tools, verifying geometry, alignment, and accuracy before the bicycle moves toward final finishing. Every frame receives a unique identity mark, creating traceability from factory production through quality records, warranty, and ownership. After precision manufacturing, frames enter advanced finishing lines, where coatings protect surfaces and create their final professional appearance. A finished frame is only the beginning. Specialized components arrive from suppliers, completing the complex system behind every mountain bicycle. Precision bearings and suspension pivots are installed with specialized tools, creating smooth movement and reliable performance for demanding trail conditions. Technicians carefully route internal cables and brake lines through the frame, creating clean designs while maintaining reliable bicycle performance. On the assembly line, skilled technicians combine frames, forks, drivetrains, brakes, and wheels into complete mountain bicycles. Modern mountain bike tires receive precise tubeless preparation, combining sealant, pressure control, and careful installation for maximum trail performance. Before testing begins, technicians verify every critical bolt with precision torque tools, ensuring safety, reliability, and perfect component performance. Finished mountain bikes face extreme laboratory tests, simulating crashes, impacts, and years of riding to guarantee strength and rider safety. After passing every test, bicycles receive final cleaning, protection, and careful packaging before beginning their journey to riders worldwide. After final approval, thousands of mountain bikes enter global logistics networks, traveling through warehouses, containers, and from raw materials to precision engineering. Every mountain bike carries thousands of manufacturing steps before conquering the world's toughest trails. Behind every mountain bike is a world of engineering, innovation, and human skill, transforming materials into machines built for adventure. Every machine has a hidden story. Tell us what incredible manufacturing process you want to explore in our next documentary. Hidden within the linkage and the finely tuned gears is the technology that connects the factory floor directly to the trail, allowing the rider to push the limits. Inside every mountain bike suspension system, springs, hydraulics, and precision engineering work together to control impacts and improve trail performance. Carbon fiber frames begin as layered materials, transformed through precision molding, heat curing, and advanced engineering into lightweight structures. Inside every drivetrain, precision gears, chains, and mechanisms transform rider power into smooth movement across challenging mountain terrain. Mountain bike tires combine advanced rubber compounds, reinforced structures, and specialized tread designs to deliver grip, control, and protection. Mountain bike wheels combine precision rims, strong spokes, advanced hubs, and careful assembly to survive extreme trails and impacts. Before production begins, engineers use advanced simulations and digital models to design mountain bike frames for strength, weight, and performance. Full suspension frames combine precision links, bearings, and reinforced structures to create controlled movement while surviving extreme trail forces.
How electronic mountain bike systems are integrated.
Before reaching riders, mountain bikes undergo extreme testing to verify strength, durability, safety, and performance under harsh conditions. After passing every test, mountain bikes are carefully prepared, packaged, and shipped worldwide through advanced logistics systems. From raw materials to mountain trails, every mountain bike represents engineering, craftsmanship, and innovation combined into one adventure machine. Mountain bike pedals transform rider power into motion using precision bearings, strong materials, and advanced designs built for extreme terrain. Mountain bike drivetrains combine precision gears, chains, and shifting systems to deliver efficient power across climbs, trails, and rough terrain. Mountain bike tires combine advanced rubber compounds, reinforced casings, and specialized tread patterns to deliver grip across unpredictable terrain. Mountain bike brakes combine hydraulic pressure, precision components, and heat control systems to deliver powerful, reliable stopping performance. Mountain bike saddles combine ergonomic shapes, lightweight materials, and durable construction to support riders during demanding terrain and long adventures. Mountain bike frames undergo extreme impact, fatigue, and load testing to ensure strength, durability, and rider safety. Every engineered component works together, transforming materials and precision manufacturing into a mountain bike built for adventure. Every mountain bike carries a story of engineering, innovation, and craftsmanship, transforming raw materials into freedom on the trail. How do modern drivetrains create power and control? It starts with precision engineering, translating raw force into smooth momentum. Mountain bike suspension systems combine springs, dampers, and precision engineering to maintain control, traction, stability across rough terrain. Mountain bike brakes combine hydraulic pressure, precision components, and heat management to deliver reliable control during extreme trail conditions. Thousands of precision components unite during final assembly, creating a complete mountain bike ready for testing, adventure, and performance. Before shipping, every mountain bike undergoes precision inspections, performance checks, and safety testing to guarantee reliability on demanding trails. Every machine has a hidden story. Subscribe to Process Vision and discover more incredible engineering journeys from factories worldwide.